Greetings from Jamaica Queens, and this is King Manor at the King Manor Museum. And there's some pretty impressive previews happening for the Summer Dance Festival. And let's get a walk down Jamaica Avenue. This is a really fun Saturday, Sunday type afternoon. If you want to do shopping in the area, a lot of these shops are only here in Jamaica Queens. You won't see all the chain stores. There are some on the block, but it does make for quite a unique day. Last stop on the J or the Z train, and I preferably take the E train to the last stop. You can also take the F as in fun, F as in Friday, to the last stop as well. All right, here's the preview. A little bit of what to expect. Even the previews draw a crowd. Another reason why it's easy to say, I love New York. Till next time, keep exploring. From the Big Apple, and I'm gonna head down this block a bit way more and enjoy more of Jamaica Queens. Till next time.